Hello students, in this video we will see how Flask and MySQL can connect to update the database and delete MySQL table. Okay, so we can delete a group of records or we can delete a single records, and we can update a group of records or a single record. So let me explain, let me demonstrate how we can do this one, so we can see it practically. So this is the first script. Here we are using again the same statement from Flask import Flask and MySQL connector. This is the configuration of MySQL. We are using same database DB here, and the password is MySQL. Okay, so what query we want to fire here? So query is equal to delete from db.student. Okay, we want to delete all records from student. That's why we write here delete from db.student. db is the name of database, student is the name of MySQL table. Okay, so again URL is home URL. This function is associated with this one, select table. Okay, so cursor is defined here. Cursor is equal to mysql.connection.cursor, and we want to execute the query. That's why we have written here cursor.execute query. Okay, and we are going to change the table, change the contents of the table. That's why you should use here commit method. So mysql.connection.commit. So remember one thing, you should write commit every time when you are going to change or modify the contents of the table, okay, or the fields of the table. Then write here cursor close. So we have to close the cursor and then return 1 2 3. So here we can write like this, deleted successfully. Okay, you can type here any message. So we can write here deleted successfully. Save this one. So before going to execute this one, let us see what type of records are there in MySQL table. So this is our MySQL. So right here select star from student. We are using same database here DB, and we are using student table. So how many records are there? So near about 7 to 9 records are there, 9 rows in the set, and we want to delete all records from student. Okay, so execute this Flask script, minimize this one. So right here, what is the name of this Flask script? MySQL 7.py. So set this one as Flask app is equal to MySQL 7.py. Okay, so this is the script which we want to execute. Then Flask run, enter. So it gives you again one URL. Copy this URL and execute it in browser. So we can paste it and we can see what type of message we get here. So here we get deleted successfully. Okay, means what? Our query is successfully executed. So let us see what changes are there in this file. So previously this table is having 9 records. Execute this query again, select star from student. So it gives you empty set. Means what? So whatever query we have written in our Flask script, delete from student, okay, that query get executed, and here we get empty set from the table student. Okay, so in this way we can delete a group of records by using delete from db.student. Okay, if we want to delete a single record, means the record which satisfies the given condition, delete from db.student where name is equal to Virat. Okay, so what type of query we want to execute here? We want to change, we want to delete the record which is having name as Virat. Now we don't have any record in the table, so we can insert record or we can execute our previous script So let me see which script is used to add the data. So look here, suppose MySQL 3, yes, we have. So by executing this query, we can add records to MySQL table. So name of the script is MySQL 3.py. We can execute this one. So MySQL 3.py, run it. So again we get here one of the URL. Execute this URL in the browser. So here executed, we get message executed. That means some records are added in the MySQL table. So let us see whether the records are added or not. Select star from student. Yes, it is. So 5 records are added to the table student. Okay. Now we want to delete a record which is having name as Virat. So how we can execute this one? This is our script, MySQL 8.py. So the query is delete from db.student where name is equal to Virat. So again, as we have seen previously in the video, as I told you, we can delete, we can use any type of relational operator or any type of logical operator in the delete query. Okay, if we want to delete all the records which are having IDs greater than 5, so we can delete it by using delete from and where clause. Okay, so here we are using where clause, and then name is equal to Virat. Then again one URL is there, cursor is defined here, cursor dot execute query, we are going to execute the query. Then commit method is there, and the message is record deleted. Okay, so with the help of this script we can delete a single record or group of records. When we write like this, delete from db.student where city is equal to Kolhapur, so it will delete all the records which are containing the city is equal to Kolhapur. So likewise you can delete a single record or a group of records. Okay, so execute this one. So what is the name of script here? MySQL 8.py. so right here MySQL 8.py. Okay, enter. Then run this query, run this script, flask run. So URL is there, we can refresh the URL. Yes, here we get the message record deleted. Okay, so let us see what would happen in the table. So previously we have record with ID number 1, name Virat and email virat@gmail.com. Right now we executed the script. In that script we executed the query delete from student where name is equal to Virat, and this query is already executed. So we can see it. Yes. So select from student. When we write this one, what would happen here? So this record which is having name as Virat, it is already deleted. Okay, so we can delete a single record or group of records by using this type of queries. Okay, so this is the delete one. Next one, how we can update the data, how we can change the contents of the table. So update command is used, update query is used to change the existing data. So here what we want to change, look here, what is the query here? Update db.student. Here again same settings are there, same MySQL configuration is there, same database we are using and same table we are using. Query is equal to update db.student, set name is equal to Pratibha where ID is equal to 2. So what we want to do here, we are going to change the name of student whose ID is 2. Okay, so what will be the new name here? We want to change it to Pratibha. Okay, so let us see what is the name for ID number 2. Yes, when we see this one, ID is 2 and name is Tanvi. Okay, Previously the record is having name as Tanvi, and we are going to change this name to Pratibha. Okay, this is our script. When we executed this script, again we have written here cursor dot execute query, then commit, close and return updated successfully. So we can change here the name of table, sorry, name of script. What is the name of script here? MySQL 9.py. Okay, so execute this one. It gives you same URL. Refresh this one. So here we get the message updated successfully. Okay, so our script is executed successfully. So we can see the change in the table. So again we execute the same query, select star from student. So yes, here we got name is equal to Pratibha. Okay, so what is the old name here? Name is equal to Tanvi. We have executed the script where we have changed the name Tanvi to Pratibha, and once we executed this script, we got here as this ID number 2 is having name as Pratibha. Okay, so we can change contents of fields, means contents of attributes, by using update command. So here we have seen how we can delete the entire table. Then here we can see how we can delete a single record or a group of records by using where clause, relational operators and logical operators. And here we have seen how we can update the data. Okay, so here also we can change group of data. Suppose some of the students are having city as Kolhapur and some of the students are having city as Mumbai, and if we want to change the city Kolhapur to Mumbai, so how we can change it? Is set city is equal to Mumbai, where city is equal to Kolhapur. Okay, so whatever number of records are there which are having city as Kolhapur, that will be changed to Mumbai. Here also we can perform mathematical operations. Suppose employee table is there, and this employee table is having salary, some values for salary fields, and we want to update that salaries by incrementing that salary by 200 or by 500. So how we can do it? We can do it by using update command. So update db.student set salary equal to is salary plus 500. Okay, so up to this it will update, it will modify all the salaries which are incremented by 200. If we want to increment salary of some employees, suppose we want to increment the salary of the employees which are present in the department of computer, so how we can do it? So we can write here query like this: update db.employee set salary is equal to salary plus 500, where department is equal to computer. Okay, so here we can update group of data. So likewise, by using update command, we can update a single record or group of records. Okay, so here we have seen how we can delete and how we can update the data in the existing table. Okay, so up to this we have learned how to create a table by using Flask, then how to insert a single record or group of records in the table, then how we can display the records on the screen. Okay, so all records or some records, means some specific records, if we want to display on the screen, we can display it. Then how to delete records and how to update the records. So this is the portion related to MySQL. These are the basic queries which are needed in project, and these queries are from MySQL. Okay, so up to this we finished MySQL. Now from the from next video we will see the Bootstrap programming and how we can use Bootstrap in Flask, and how we can communicate, how we can connect MySQL, Flask, Python and Bootstrap collectively, and we can use it in our project demonstration. So we will see in the next video how Bootstrap can be used. Okay, so till then, thank you. Do all these practicals on your laptops or on your computers. Okay, so we will see in the next video.